Welcome to our guide to creating and managing pages in Canvas. Pages are versatile tools for delivering a wide range of content within your courses. Today, we'll explore how to effectively use pages to distribute class notes, resources, and other materials, and how to manage these pages to enhance your course structure. Canvas pages serve as a one-way delivery method for content and educational resources that don't fit into assignments. Ideal for text, videos, and embedded content, pages can be linked to files, external sites, and other pages within your course. They're perfect for furnishing class notes, distributing lecture materials, and providing resources for flipped learning activities. Pages can be created from the Pages index or within a module. Remember, if you create a page directly in the Pages index, you must link it to a module for students to have access to it. Our recommendation is that if your page is going to end up in a module anyway, you're probably better off creating it there in the first place. This will save you some extra clicks, and then you also don't have to worry about remembering to move it afterwards. When creating a page, you'll enter details in the Rich Content Editor. Here you can add things like text, images, videos, and links. Some key options also include setting page permissions, adding the page to a student's to-do list, and utilizing the Publish At feature to schedule when a page goes live. Our best practice tip is to add pages to the student's calendar for better time management and organization. We'll talk more about the Rich Content Editor in the next section, so don't worry too much about adding text and images just yet. If you need to see all of the pages in your course at once, the Pages Index will give you access to all of them. The Pages Index is your control panel for all pages in your course. It allows you to create, edit, delete, and manage settings for each page. The Pages tab is kind of like a stack of loose paper on your desk. A small pile might seem manageable, but as it starts to grow, you'd want to keep it organized. That's where Modules comes in. Remember, the Pages Index will be a list of all the pages in your course. So at the start of the year, it might not seem like a lot, but by the end of the course, you may have over 100 pages. That could be really overwhelming for students and difficult for them to navigate. That's why we encourage you to hide the Pages tab in the navigation menu and place the content that your students need into modules. Within the Pages index, you can sort pages by title, creation date, or last edit. Remember, effectively managing page visibility and organization is key to maintaining a streamlined course environment. You can publish a page here, but if it doesn't appear in a module, your students won't be able to see it. The More Options button lets you edit page names, duplicate pages, or set a page as the front page. We'll talk more about setting a front page a little later in this course. When designing your pages, consider the variety of learning styles, abilities, and needs of your students. You can incorporate diverse instructional materials and supports to ensure accessibility and engagement for all of your learners. Reflect on how your course homepage and really every page can best support learning diversity. Finally, just like with the module, you can view your pages as a student by toggling on Student View in the top right. The Student View is a great way to test interactive elements and links on your pages and to verify that your pages are published correctly. By mastering the creation and management of pages in Canvas, you can significantly enhance the delivery of content in your courses. Pages not only provide flexibility in how you present course materials, but also help in organizing content in a student-friendly manner. Up next, we'll dive deeper into using the Rich Content Editor to maximize the potential of your pages.